Hello everyone, this is Mike with ShadowTrader. This week I'd like to talk about taking a loss gracefully and viewing losses as a benefit rather than a detriment. Most people, I feel, from my experience looking at it and experiencing it over the years, have a negative view of losing instead of a constructive view. And what I have developed over the years is the rule that says that if I want to get into a trade, then I will calculate that trade, this chart structure will not require me to lose any more than 1 or 2% of the account value. 2% on a smaller account, a few $1,000s, and 1% or less on a larger account, $50,000 to $100,000 or whatever. And that has helped me come through or develop the ability to shed the offense of losing. The early years of losing too big, we can get a real negative attitude and a poor view of what losing can benefit you. In this case here, if you recall, I was anticipating the fact that Caesars Entertainment here might be doing a breakout above this very clear zone of price right here at the $46, $47 level. Well, it failed. I took the trade and it failed. I got out right here. And if I had not gotten out, what would have happened? It would have turned into an outside loser. And that's what we don't want. So it's extremely important to put together a system that allows you to appreciate your losers because they are protecting your account. But when you have a winner that's a trade that works, it actually benefits you because you still believe in your chart structure. And no one is going to have a perfect entry chart setup. Everybody's going to take losers. I take them all the time. And I have taken quite a few losers this year, and yet my trading account with the ShadowTrader room is up 20%. So it allows you to weather your losses well. Here, if you recall, I was anticipating that SLV might be doing a falling out of this, and it still may. The jury is still out here. But I've taken two trades here to the short side and had to get out when it returned back above this line. 2 times, no big deal, 2 very small losses. And if I keep my eye downfield like a football quarterback and I try to keep my view down here as far as my reward, then this reward would far outweigh not only these losers, but any other loser that I took possibly for the week. And so conversely, it is extremely important when you get one that's working to allow it to work for you. Here's Marathon, took a long trade here, added to it here, and now we're letting it work out. And not worrying about or panicking it coming back or anything like that. Viewing it on the long term and keeping my view further out on the weekly chart. Let me go further out yet here to where the potential of what could happen with Marathon Digital breaking this line could reward us. So the outsized reward is far greater than the very, very small risk that we took here. So putting together some form of risk-reward system is extremely important. Every successful trader has it, and it is the reason why, a part of the reason, a big reason why many people struggle with becoming profitable in trading. So learn to appreciate your losing, learn to lose small, learn to lose gracefully, and view it in a positive light.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I'd like to invite you to join me in the trading room where we study charts together, search out good trade ideas, and we spend quite a bit of time talking about what it takes to get along successfully in this journey that we are all on. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below if you enjoyed this video today. And as we always say here at ShadowTrader, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.